ka-Budgetaria, we have super duper as in duper talaga exciting day today because today is Prada unboxing day! Hi mga ka-Budgetarian, Ron Ramiro here, suking Budgetarian Fashionista. If you love fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel, lifestyle, anything fun, but most importantly, isa po kayong budgetarian like me, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 for daily updates coming from me. Yeah. So yun na nga mga ka-Budgetaria, we have 1 million times super duper triple million times super exciting day today because we have our Prada haul here and i-unbox natin sila today. So make sure samahan nyo ako until the very end. Okay, so mga ka-Budgetarian, before we begin, so we have 2 shopping bags here from Prada and ang una nating i-unbox ito, the big one. Yay! So super exciting because this is the very first gift na na-receive ko. Yay! From my very dear friend, Ate Marian Roque. I'm going to put her Facebook account here and their Facebook page kasi they're an authorized reseller of Prada stuff. So if you want mga damit, clothes, accessories, especially bags. Tapos, ang pinakamaganda pa nun, if you're going to buy directly from them, you would be getting special discount. So, their goods are coming from Singapore. Yan. Yay! So, Ate Marian, super thank you for this one. Di ko pa nakikita talaga. So, this would be the first time na i-open natin to. Are you ready, guys? Ayan. So, this is the paper bag. Yay! Super pretty. Thank you again. Okay, so now let's start our unboxing. 1, 2, 3. Tcharan! Ayan. Okay, so naka-garment bag pa siya. So let me just put it here. Ayan, so naka-garment bag pa siya. As you can see. Super nice, no guys? No? So I love the garment bag. Ayan. The zipper. If you can see. Ayan, nag-ano ba? Focus ba guys? Ayan. So, let us open what's inside the garment bag. Super na-excite talaga ako. 1, 2, 3! Oh my God! Yay! So, it's a navy blue cardigan or sweater. Ayan, as you can see. Sorry, malambot. Ayan. So, this is Prada Milano, size 46 or 48. And I'm sure it's going to fit me. So, tatayo lang ako para makita nyo, guys. Diba? So, it's super nice. Ay, nakakatuwa. Thank you, Ate Ayan. Call her Ate Ayan. Ayan, na-excite talaga, diba? Ayan, kasya siya. So, it's very nice. I can't wait to wear this one. Promise talaga. Ayan guys, so make sure you contact them if you have, or if you want to have any special request. Parang there would be your personal buyer for Prada. Ayan. Thank you. I'm going to post a little, video soon wearing this one. Thank you again, Ate Ayan. Alright, so one down, another one to go, another Prada paper bag. So here it is. Yay! Super exciting this one. I'm also super excited. Another Prada shopping paper bag. Diba? Every time you would see a Prada paper bag, parang wow, super nice. Ayan, so before we open, we got this one sa Prada outlet store at 158 Designers Boulevard in Alabang Town Center. So, diba, previously sa mga previous videos ko, parati ko na may mention yon. So, na-mention ko siya sa Prada unboxing ko, sa Fendi unboxing. Also, my shopping experience sa Greenbelt, di ba na-mention ko? Parang nagkaroon pa ako ng preview dun sa Greenbelt shopping experience nung 158 Designers Boulevard and how it looks and what are the brands that they're carrying. So, let me link it up here if you haven't watched the video and also put it on the description box para makita nyo. But yun na nga. So, we got this one. Ayan. Sa 158 Designers Boulevard. Super exciting. So, are you ready guys for us to open? So, let us open. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Tcharan! Let me put it here. Ayan. Para, so, Okay, do you have any guesses kung ano to, guys? Ayan. So, you know naman that I'm super duper crazy obsessed with 3, 2, 1. Chanan! Oh my God! Super nice! Let me put it here. Ah! Wow! Super nice. Do you love it, guys? So, it is a Prada. This is, the name of this one is PRADA Diagram Bag. Ayan. Super nice. Woo! So, let me post a short video here of this bag para mas makita nyo close up. Okay, so let us discuss mga ka-budgetarian, this bag, more in-depth review. Yes. So, let me just open and get everything, what's inside. Super bango. I love the smell. Diba, nakaka-intoxicate talaga always ang smell ng brand new leather bags. So, let me put it here. Sorry. So, this is the care card. Let me just open. Ayan. So, her material is soft calf. So, here it is. And, ayan siya. Okay. So, the material is soft calf. And the color is, according to Prada, they named it Bianco 2. Pero, yan. Yun yung Bianco 2 niya. It's off-white. Then, of course, aside from the authenticity card, we have of course the care card over here. And mga ka-budgetarian, ang best part pa dito when we got this bag, if you could remember, diba? Since it's an outlet dun sa 158 Designers Boulevard, we got a very huge, like super huge deal. I believe it's around 40% discount. We got this one. So here is another, yan, yung price card na, yan. Here it is. And the original price is, ayan. So that is the original price, 134,500. But we got super amazing deal with this one. I believe it's around 40% discount. Ayan, kaya yung nakita namin to. Kasi nga, di ba, when we went there talaga, parang we don't have any plans talaga na to buy any bags at all. But when we went to Alabang Town Center, tapos nakita namin tong bag na to, yun, syempre, di ba, parang tapos nakita mo pa, na-realize mo pa na it's on very huge sale. Parang nakakapanghinayang talaga na hindi namin siya iuwi. So, we made careful decision talaga. Of course, di ba, following the 5 budgetarian tips, shopping with no money, luxury goods. So, let me link that here as well, just in case you haven't watched the video. So, of course, when we saw this one, just a little bit kwento. So, initially, when we went there, kasi kasabay ko itong nabili nung Prada Electra bag ko, when we saw this one, this white diagram bag is not on display. Ang naka-display is the blue one, na same design, but it's a navy blue. But medyo hindi naman, parang hindi ako tinawag nun kasi nga, although it's yes, naka-sale siya, pero parang I was a little bit hesitant to get that one too, kasi nga, I already have a number of Prada bags in the same color. So, let me show maybe some photos here para makita nyo na yung, I have 2 bags or plus another one sa Fendi na same color. So, when, diba, parang na-mention ko previously, right now, starting 2021, whenever I would be buying bags, I would make sure yung longevity niya kasi nga, diba, unfortunately, these luxury bags, they come with a hefty price. So, you have to make sure kasi nga, for me, these are investments. So, you have to make sure na what we would be buying are parang talagang something na hindi mo lang siya, yung parang it's not really an impulse purchase and yung hindi mo na siya magagamit. So, I wanted to buy something na I would be able to keep inside my closet. Tapos yung every time na I have an event, yung talagang magagamit ko siya. Tapos yung ma-ROI ko siya at yung talagang masusulit. So, yung nakita namin yung Electra bag. So, we had lunch, we were discussing whether I'm going to get it or not. And then when I finally decided na I would be getting the Electra bag, we went back to 158 Designers Boulevard. And yun na, kuya, the SA sa Prada, they were displaying new bags. And this was up there. So, super na-excite kami kasi nga parang, wow, oh my God, parang honestly, this style is, I believe, it would be one of the classic styles ng Prada kasi nga they have most of the styles, plus maganda dito is this would be one of the classic styles and it has a top handle and yan, labas ko lang. Tchanan! Ayan, another dust bag. This is what I love about Prada. Kahit yung mga, diba, guess what? Ayan, tchanan! So this is the strap. So, let me just put this in. Let me just snap this. So, it has a D-ring sa sides niya. Ayan. So, tatayo lang ako, guys. So, you could wear this as a crossbody bag. Diba? So, kapag naka-crossbody siya, ganyan ang length niya. So, I stand at 5'6". Then, you could also wear it as a shoulder bag. Ayan, shoulder bag. Or you could carry it as a handbag. So, the styles niya, it's a multi-style bag na you could wear, you know, multi-way. So, again, handbag, crossbody, shoulder. Tapos, it could transform from day to evening. So, yun yung mga reasons na why we did not yung talagang hesitated or left the store without getting this bag. So, when we saw this one, yun na nga. So, we decided na to take the plunge kasi nga naka-huge sale siya of 40%. And yun na, yay! So, this one, naganda-ganda niya because, again, soft calf material siya. And then, it's very smooth. You just need to be very, very careful when using this one. It has silver hardware, so the logo is also silver. Then, silver hardware. Pati yung chain niya, silver hardware. So, I like yung pagka-silver niya. It's not the gunmetal. Parang I feel yung gantong silver na chains and hardware are classier than gunmetal. So, that's just in my honest or simple opinion. Yan. Okay. So, let's see what's inside. Tapos, diba, yung speaking of longevity kanina, isa, diba, sa mga talagang gusto ko na mga styles are the structured bags. So, as you could see, so this is sideways. Ayan, yan. Yung sa harap niya, top, and then, ayan, sa ilalim niya. So, parang it's very, very structured. Kahit wala siyang stuffings or tissue, it would, you know, it could stand perfectly upright. So, yung mga, for me kasi, like, the mga structured bags like that, would really last you for a very long time. So, dun talaga, sulit na yung binabayad nyo. So, just to show you what's inside, ayan. So, nakaano pa siya with tissue. So, here is what's inside. Then, of course, you have the, ayan, yun siya. So, it comes with, it has mga pockets. Then, it has one zipper inside. And then, super, super laki and spacious ng, kasi nga, if you would notice, diba? So, this would be around, I believe, it would be around 3 inches yung depth niya. Sobrang, yan, if you would notice, diba, kung tabi ko siya, yan, ang laki niya, ang haba niya. So, super, super, ang dami mong malalaman talaga sa bag na to. Kaya, promise talaga, super, super good deal and super happy with this purchase. Yay! Wow! Alright, so I would also like to share some care tips with this bag because maybe kung na-notice nyo dun sa Louis Vuitton and your shopping experience, yan, suot-suot na niyan to. Na-wear na namin to. And good thing, for this one kasi, for this material, so I'm sure you have watched millions of videos regarding white leather goods. Ang dangerous lang sa paggamit kasi this is our first white bag. Me personally, I like mga blacks or darker color, especially yan, black talaga. Kasi nga yung for me, for black, it's very easy to maintain. So for this one, it's a little bit adventurous na we went for white, knowing na kasi nga, diba, we know how difficult it is to maintain, especially with the color transfer. So yun mga budgetarians, be very, very careful. So for example, not just white, so with the lighter colored leathers or for leather bags, so like for example, white, beige, off-white, cream, sila yung mga luxury goods or bags na madaling mag-color transfer. Like for example, that's why I'm very, very careful right now. I'm wearing white shirt and white shorts kasi like for example, just to share an experience, Yen was wearing a black cape nung nagpunta kami sa LV and Dior, and mostly nakasling to. And what happened was, ayun, buti na lang nalinis niya here sa backside, parang nag-transfer yung black cape niya. So, one product na we could share that he bought, I believe its name is Colonial. So, he sprayed this bag multiple times. Ayun, so, nakita ko naman, ayan, so meron na siyang yun. Hindi na yung ganun kagrabe kasi when we initially got this one, I mean, pagka-uwi namin from Soler sa Louis Vuitton and Dior, promise talaga, parang on this side, parang nagkaroon na siya ng parang darker color. So, I informed him na wipe it really, really gently with super, yung parang cottony fabric, ganyan. Tapos, idampo lang siya ng very, very light water, tas ganun na, yung nalinis naman niya. And we actually went to Prada sa Soler kasi nga, diba, we were walking in at experience na namin to. So, since we were there, we asked the Prada sales assistant na what can we do to clean the bag kasi nga, it's very, very delicate. Tapos, she mentioned na for them sa Prada, they would normally use a product from Kate Spade. Ayan, so, Kate Spade leather cleaner yata or leather conditioner. So, normally daw, yung mga sales assistant ng taga-Rustans, so, everything na, so from Prada, Givenchy, ano pa ba, Gucci, yan, etc. So, yun na yung ginagamit nila, for example, before they display, and napansin nila meron discoloration or color transfer or domain, they are using the Kate Spade. So, pagbalik namin sa green bag, definitely we are going to get that to clean. But good thing here, ayan, medyo malinis. Ay, actually, malinis naman siya. Ayan, so yun yung care tip na major, wow, Venus Rock. Major na tip na mapaprovide ko sa inyo when using calf leather. Another is, yun nga, be very careful with the hardwares or accessories that you're using kasi nga for calf leather, they're easily scratchable. So like for example, yung mga fingernails, ayan, yung mga chain, yan, be very careful, yan, para ma-maintain nyo yung pristine condition ng Prada leather bag. Yay! Super bango. Yun na nga mga kabudgetarian yun. So, hopefully, na-enjoy nyo ang Prada unboxing haul natin. Yay! Ayan, so again mga kabudgetarian, disclaimer lang po, this is not to show off or brag any of these pieces to you guys. What, the reason why I'm doing this is because, again, I just want to, you know, parang inspire everyone na, again, self-love, na sometimes we have to gift ourselves, di ba nga, with the pandemic and all. Tapos, definitely we have to give ourselves sometimes para we would be inspired and parang we would be recharged at makapag-work tayo 300 times. And definitely, yun. So, if you have extra, then definitely share with your family and friends. Okay. So, mga kabudgetarian, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, again, I am inviting you to do so. Please click on that subscribe button, that notification bell, and the thumbs up para more and more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 for daily updates. Super million thank you mga kabudgetarian for joining me in this vlog episode. And please stay safe always and join me on our next video. Bye!